Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Khairudin bin Yusof. My matrix number is 15D8021F2024. My lecturer name is Encik Rosdan bin Muhammad. Today I'm going to present about the AOC2 question number 3. Power meter learning outcome. At the end of the unit, you should be able to remember basic principle of power meter, understand principle of wattmeter and kWh meter, apply concept of wattmeter and kWh meter. Power meters. Introduction. Power meters. Power in an electric circuit is the product multiplication of voltage and current. So, any meter designed to measure power must account for both of these variables. Power is measured in watts or kilowatts. Power meter is a meter to measure the amount of electric power used. There are many kinds of power meters, such as wattmeter, kWh meter. Okay, these are example type of power meter. A is ABC, B is kWh meter, and B dan C is kWh meter, and D is wattmeter. Okay, question number 3. An analog kilowatt hour is used to measure electrical energy in a residential home. By using a suitable diagram, show the construction of analog kilowatt hour that consists of driving system, moving system, braking system, and registering system. Explain each of these systems and the working principle of the meter. So this is the diagram of construction of kilowatt hour meter. For this From this diagram, it shows the gear, spindle, recording mechanism, shunt magnet, braking magnet. CC is referred to current coil, series magnet, supply voltage, aluminium disc. FC is friction compensator, VC is voltage coil, PFC is power factor compensator, and last is load. First is a driving system. Driving system of the energy meter consists of two silicon steel laminate electromagnets. Referring figure 5 and 4, the electromagnets M1 is called the series magnet or current coil CC, and the electromagnet M2 is called the shunt magnet or voltage coil VC. The current coil carries a coil consisting of a few turns of thick wire, and it is connected in series with the circuit. The load current flows through this coil. The voltage carries a coil consists many turns of thin wire, and it is connected across the supply. Moving system. The moving system consists of a thin aluminium disc mounted on a spindle and is placed in the air gap between the series and the shunt magnet. It cuts the flux of both. The magnet force are produced by the flux of M1 and M2. Both these forces act on the disc. These two forces constitute a deflecting torque. The third is about braking system. The braking system consists of a permanent magnet called brake magnet, provide necessary braking torque which opposes the motion of this. The fourth is about registering system. The disc spindle is connected to a counting mechanism. This mechanism records a number which is proportional to the number of revolutions of disc. The counter is calibrated to indicate the energy consumed directly in kilowatts hour. The last is about working principle. The kilowatt hour meter is an instrument for measuring the amount of electrical energy consumed by a residence, business, or an electrically powered device. Energy equal power multiplies time, and the units is joule. Kilowatt hour is most commonly known as a billing unit for energy delivered to consumers by electric utilities. In principle, the watt-hour meter is a small motor whose instantaneous speed is proportional to the power passing through. The total revolution in a given time are proportional to the total energy or watt-hours consumed during that time. The current coil is connected in series with the line and the voltage coil is connected across the line. Both coils are worn on a metal frame of special design, providing two magnetic circuits. A light aluminum disc is suspended in the air gap of current coil field, which causes eddy currents flow in the disc. Okay, that's all for me for explaining about the power meters, the kWh meters. Thank you for lecturer Encik Rosdan for teach us. Okay, that's all.